Find features that distinguish it from other brands of 6P ViprTech Stryker 1.0 gaming PC. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because, it consists of the following features. System: AMD Ryzen 7, 2700, 8 cores, 16 threads at 3.2 GHz, 4.1 GHz turbo, AMD Radeon RX 580, 8 GB graphics, 32 GB DDR4 3200 MHz RAM, 1 TB NVMe SSD. White braided cable extensions, genuine Windows 11 Pro, RGB lighting enabled case. Showcase your internals with the built-in RGB lighting system, a must-have for any gaming PC and sure to make your rig stand out. Controlled via a button on the case. Enjoy insanely fast boot-up times with the included 1 TB NVMe boot SSD, up to 30x faster than a traditional hard drive. Easily add additional storage if desired. Great for streaming, video editing/rendering, gaming and anything else you can throw at it. Optimized for high FPS and can run most games. Every ViprTech PC is built by hand in the USA and is stress tested extensively before shipping. We stand behind our product and include a free 1-year warranty. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.